Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to undo in Power BI. Now, the first way is when you have made errors or you want to undo anything on your report. You come here at the top left, you can click on this arrow that goes to the back. You see, it undoes the last action. So you can click on this, or what you can also do, I'll redo this and show you. You can just press on your keyboard Control plus Z. That undoes it, right? Now, this is only for reports though. If you have made errors or you want to undo anything on the Power Query editor, what you need to do is come here to Home, click here on Transform Data, click on Transform Data again, and this is going to open up my Power Query editor, right? And here, if you want to undo anything, what you need to do is come and click on this X, okay, next to the step you did, the applied steps, or you can right click and click on a delete. Okay, there's no way to undo it from here. You just need to delete the steps you made, and that basically undoes it. Really that easy and simple.